Hello everyone, I'm Shruti Pandey, studying in grade 8, studying National Academy, and this is my little sister.
Hello everyone, my name is Saipada. I'm studying in first standard.
Welcome to another video of my channel, Coding with Shruti. In my previous video, you saw how my app works and its designing part. In this video, we'll be seeing the programming part of the app. Let's go into the programming part. Hello there. So now I'm in my computer and we're going to do the programming part of the advanced language translator app. If you missed my previous video, again the link is in the description below, which I've told already, but make sure you check that and come this, because that's what we are going to do, the designing part, and here we're going to do the programming part. So after you log in with Thunkable and after you did the designing part, if you didn't, again, it's in the description below. After you do that, next in the block section, we are going to do the programming part. So the first thing we're going to do is in the welcome page. In the welcome page is actually, we have designed it already. Like through the thing we have already designed it. So no need of programming it. So I'm going to directly go to the home page right here, home tab. So after you do that, it's on the screen. Okay. So right now, first I'm going to do is initialize a variable before I start. So I'm going to give it stored and variable as a language. So when the home starts, the first program we're going to do is you're going to give when do home starts if the stored value is equal to nothing, which is null. Do set language text to call language DB. This language DB is nothing but where my languages come from. So in the last video, I've actually made the languages from the scratch step, which was really hard even to add even 4 languages. This is a bit easy for the people who want to make an app, which is a little bit simple. So this is where you could use 93 languages you could get from this DB. So I suggest you to do it if you want, or if you want to do the scratch program from the scratch my language app, which is my language translator app, which is not advanced, but we have 4 languages which I did from the scratch in MIT App Inventor. So that video I'll also post it in my description below where you could see it. So the first to continue, set language text called set db to get cell translator. Make sure the translator is same as that variable you set. So the after translator, and after that stored variable language, and after that set language translator 1, target language to call language db's get cell translator, and you just copy and paste this part. So the main thing you're going to change is target language, because you're going to choose a language, right? We're going if Bengali, that's the target language. If Tamil, that's a target language. So something like that. So after that, outside of the if and do thing, set list viewers text item to call language db to get column. That's also you could just copy and paste this language thing, because the spelling should not get wrong in this. So the next thing is when select. After I select my language, click set my list viewer to be visible. So as you know, I'll just show you the designing part again. I've added a list viewer in my starting. So in this list viewer, it's nothing but the languages I actually go. But because I didn't add any text items or something like this, I've just added the font size and the personalization, which I didn't tell in the last video as my designing part, because I didn't add any text thing in the list viewer thing. You could directly, because the language DB actually does that, so no need of doing it. So the next thing is list viewer to visible to be true. And after that, when list viewer item is clicked, when it is clicked, then which is what is the list viewer item here is the the thing select language, and I click that, it's the list viewer open. And when an item is clicked, something like that, we're gonna when the item is particularly clicked, then the select language text should be visible to item. Set list viewers visible to false. So set stored variable language to index, then set language target to which is the target language, to call language db to get cell. So now, as you understood why we didn't add in the list viewer our own languages, like which we did in the MIT App Inventor, we didn't add like that, because we are going to give the target language db to get cell, translator stored value. We could just copy paste on the top part. So set text to speech default language, call language db. So why is this text to speech used? So whenever I give translate, as you saw in my app, whenever I give translate, if you didn't see my working of it, also check my previous video. um if you saw my designing part, in that I showed my app how it's working. In that you will see that whenever I give translate button, after the text arrives on the top, it gives it pronounce it, and after that, that's what text to speech, and after that, text to speech stored variable language. Last program is when translate button is clicked, call translate to translate, call translator to translate, text to translate, input text. So whatever input text is, that should get translate. That's what it's telling. And set output levels text to result, call text to speech to speak the result of the translator, whatever is given, to speak. That's it. The programming part is done. If you missed my previous video, the link is in the description below. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment to my video and subscribe my channel. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye!